Welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 16 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our essence line of 20 flower essences following our essence spectrum chart. Today we'll be talking about blackberry essence. If you've ever had blackberry juice, if you've been doing a cleanse, or if you've just been thirsty, blackberry in the juice form, in the fruit form, has the ability to be a fantastic blood purifier. So it's no surprise that blackberry essence is for purity of thought. Blackberry essence for purity of thought helps people see the goodness in themselves and others. For children who have been exposed to negative influences, often through the media, or who are needing to express more positive behaviors, and for pets who may have absorbed their owner's negativity. Blackberry essence enhances these qualities: optimism, seeing goodness in yourself and others, inspiration, being incisive and direct yet gentle in speech, environmental awareness, purification, sloughing off the old. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when used with affirmations. If you'd like to, please repeat after me the Blackberry Essence Affirmation. Pure thoughts like rays of sunlight penetrate the dust-covered windows of my mind. They fill me with goodwill toward all. Pure thoughts, like rays of sunlight, penetrate the dust-covered windows of my mind. They fill me with goodwill toward all. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. Our hope for you is perfect well-being.